Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be opening up a random act of kindness box that my buddy Mark from Nashville, Tennessee sent up to me. I had run into him a while back when I was at a car museum in Philly, and he had sent one before and he sent another one out of the kindness of his heart. And so we'll go ahead here and crack this open and take a look at it and see what it is. Oh wow, I already see some stuff that I don't have. We'll start in the back here. We got the Matchbox 911 rally car. It's a common ode to the Rothmans livery that was used on a lot of the early rally cars and the 959s that ran the Dakar Rally for Porsche. That's really cool. Got the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and that is in the light blue of the Golf livery. Very cool. Oh wow, this I don't have for sure. I don't have the McLaren Senna in orange. I thought the new one was red, but this is definitely orange. As the dogs go nuts over something outside, I don't know what's going on. That is really looks great, and it completely looks different than the blue gray of the other release, the first release, I think. Very cool. Thank you, Mark, for that. And here we have the it's almost like a cyan blue, or I don't know if that's supposed to be a Mexico blue, what Porsche calls it. 1996 Porsche Carrera 993 Coupe. You can't go wrong with that. And it's blue with the white, I guess they the PR5 wheels, I believe. Looks really cool. So that looks good. Can't go wrong with that, that's for sure. Now we have a satin black Volkswagen Coffer Racer in the Moon Eyes. I don't think I have this one, believe it or not. I have a lot of these, but I don't think I have the satin black Moon Eyes. I think I have the yellow one. That is really cool. Oh wow, Zamac. There we have the raw version of the same one that we just saw. That's really cool. Moon Eyes. These here, for whatever reason, I have horrible luck finding in stores. I don't think I've ever seen these. Same with the red editions, the Target edition ones, for whatever reason. And I do stop at a lot of stores each week, but I don't stop every day, but I try to stop a couple times a week. And these are Walmart exclusives. I believe they didn't sell them anywhere else. Same with the red editions from Target. And for whatever reason, I just have horrible luck. I can never find any of those. Ooh, what do we have here? Older Porsche Carrera, the blue Extreme Speed Series. That one I don't have. That's cool. It's very heavy. It's got some weight to it. That sucker's all over metal. Now this is an older casting. It's dated 98 on the pack. Pack and everything's like mint. I mean, this looks like he just grabbed it off the pegs at the store. It's crazy. Dirt Bike Forum, is that what that says on the hood? Interesting. I've never seen that one before. Those graphics. Custom Ford Bronco in the satin black with a orange plastic base. I don't think I have this one either. So I think that's a pretty new one. And those color combinations. And ARIC, I'm not sure if that's a fictional. Oh, I just realized this is a treasure hunt. Right there we have the flame ball. That's really cool. I just now noticing here it says right there. I'm a little slow today, I think. I better get some iced tea in me. But yeah, it says right here, congratulations, this symbol means you found a collectible treasure hunt car. That's cool. I didn't even know they had the Bronco treasure hunt, to be honest with you. Really cool. Oh, that's so awesome. The Aston Martin Vulcan. This is another one that for whatever reason, I can't find. It's, I think it was released in the same case as the Bugatti, and for a reason, I have yet to see this in the store. Yesterday, I thought I had a good chance. I found a shipper, but I think it was already picked through. I think the employees picked through it, and either way, I missed out, and I didn't really find anything worth standing in line to pay it to register for. But that's cool to see. And I just watched the episode with Jeremy Clarkson, I think is his name. The guy used to be on Top Gear or whatever. He drives one of these and says about how it's basically a difficult car to get in and drive, and the transmission's interesting in it, but wicked, very wicked car. That's cool to have that. What else we have here? Oh wow, the twin mill. This is another one. This is a treasure hunt. I don't know what's the date on this? 2017. I don't have that one in it's like a flat gold color. Really interesting. And of course, says here on the bottom, congratulations. So that's awesome. I have quite a few twin mills. I have the Super Treasure Hunt one. I think it's bright green. So that's one that I do collect. You know, there's people who collect the Bone Shaker. I collect twin mills. Don't ask me why I do. I just like them. I think it's an iconic design from them, and I have quite a few twin mills, but I don't have this one. So thanks, Mark. That's awesome. I don't have this one either, I'm pretty sure, in the satin black. Oh, this is a red edition. No wonder I don't have it. Yeah, because I don't have any Target red editions. As a loud motorcycle goes by and Chester's freaking out. So we have, that's got the white, I don't know if they're PR5s, I guess they are. The white open spoke wheels with satin black. But that's a Target exclusive, and like I said, to this day, I'm in Targets all the time. I've never seen any of these on the shelves. Oh, sweet. Man, that is cool. The Zamac, this I definitely don't have, a raw 911 GT3 RS. That is just freaking awesome. That is so cool. The packaging, look at the packaging art's awesome too on it. Freaking awesome. So that's dated 2017. That's one I know I don't have that. I can tell you that. I know every Porsche that I have in my collection. So that is awesome. Awesome. This is a good candidate for customizing because the color is kind of weird. I actually just picked up a couple of these Mercedes W123 wagon. I think, yeah, there's stuff in the back. I think it's like fly fishing gear or something like that. But a lot of people complain they didn't like how the stalk, the rivet stalk comes up through the body, but you really can't do much about that. I have this actually in the queue here. Here's one. I actually have it laying here out of the pack. I have a whole queue back behind here of ones that I want to customize. I know a lot of you guys are disappointed in me because I haven't done many customizing videos, but I have I swear I have like 6 videos started and nothing completed. It just takes so long to do these videos and then edit them. I don't know how some of these guys are doing one per day. It's just nuts because it takes so long to do them. At least for me, it takes a long time to do them and then put the video together, because you have to understand it's almost an hour of editing time for every 10 to 15 minutes of video. So it's pretty difficult, and if you haven't done it before, it's hard to understand. Moving on. Oh, this is cool. The 50th anniversary super fast 2016 Chevy Camaro convertible. That thing's really cool. That is really awesome. Gold with the gold wheels. I think they did a good job on that. That's another one. And these are kind of tough to find. They'll mix them in with the regular Matchboxes, so you got to really pay attention. And for whatever reason, I still don't think the Matchboxes get the kind of attention that the Hot Wheels do, but I think they have a lot of nice stuff. Wow, I don't have this one. There it is, the 50th anniversary Superfast 69 BMW 2002. That's really cool. I don't have that one. I did have the Camaro one. And I think I have the 6-wheeled Mercedes G-Wagon. Oh, I didn't know it had a white stripe running on it up over. That's cool. It's pretty good detailing on it too, I think. I mean, for what they cost, not bad at all. Actually looks pretty good. I'm kind of glad I have these wheels instead of the ones they show on there, which was the what they put on the Mercedes there. I kind of think that looks a little bit better, those 6-spoke wheels. Oh, here it is. Oh, cool. So I can open one of them up. Here now I have two. There's a 6-wheeled AMG G63 in the gold with in the 50th anniversary series. Really cool. That might be all three, because I'm thinking that they released 3 of them right now in that gold series. That could be all 3 of them. Here's another one. It's eluded me. I see pictures of it all the time on Instagram, but I've never seen one of these in person, or I've never seen it in a store. The turbo version of the 911 Turbo with the one where you can open the doors on it. Now I don't know. I'd be curious to open one of these up to see, is it the old original mold that they had used back in 78 or so? And it says here 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. Like, I'm tempted to open that, but I think I might wait till I get another one. I really wouldn't mind comparing that to the original casting and see, is it the same or is it different? That's cool. Awesome. Looks like this is the last one. Miami Vice. There's another one I don't have. I always wanted this one, the Daytona Spider. I mean, that's incredible there. That's another one you just don't see these. These are some of the original entertainment releases, because it's dated 2012. I actually thought this was older than that. I thought that was like 2005 or 6. So we have Crockett's Spider. That's awesome. That one is pretty darn tempting to take out of the pack. Looks pretty good. Well, that's all. That's quite a treat there. That's probably 80% of them I don't have. So that's pretty good ratio there. So thanks, Mark, for sending all these. I will put your Instagram information up on the screen again like I did before for everyone to check out your awesome photos that you do. And I will see you guys later. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Till next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye now. Thanks again, Mark. Pretty awesome.